Hello! Hello! And welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we've come to the Holiday Inn Express and Suites in Altoona, Pennsylvania. We're going to give just a short walk around and a room tour. So let's go and check this place out. So my room is on the second floor. I really like the color scheme. Alright, so got a little shelf there, mini fridge, microwave, it's really decked out. Nice bed there. It's got kind of a chase lounge, desk, chair, TV, closet here with the ironing board and a safe. Oh, look at here. Got a goodie bag, it looks like, from Explore Altoona. That's pretty cool. We will examine that a little bit later. Oh, it's a touch light. That is really cool. I could play with this for 10-15 minutes easily. Very nice bed. Sheets are very clean. Now let's check out the bathroom real quick. So the sink, got lotion and hand wash right there. Mirror, toilet is clean. That's always good to see. These are a little bit thicker towels, I think, than most of the other places I've stayed at. It's not fancy, but they're a little bit thicker. Very nice. Shower, shampoo, conditioner, body wash all on the side there. And this is the view outside my window looking out. Pretty good view there. We've got a nice fitness center here. Be your workout place away from home. Then they've got a little pool here too. And there is a guest laundry room, so there's a washer and dryer here. Now you do have to purchase your own, bring your own detergent and soap. That's pretty nice. Not every hotel has these. Now there's something I like particularly about the location of this Holiday Inn Express and Suites is that right next door there is an AMC movie theater. Alright, so now that we've kind of checked the room out, let's check out this gift bag from Explore Altoona. Kind of see what's inside here. Alright, so first we've got a bag of Penny Sticks mini pretzels. It's pretty cool. Explore Altoona Visitor's Guide. They have something very similar to this. It's a little bit different, but that's online. Oh wow. A package of Malo cups. A bottle of water. That's really going to hit the spot, let me tell you. Especially after today's long drive. Oh wow. And this is I guess it's pasta sauce. It's a 3-cheese pasta sauce. So I'm gonna have to use this when I make spaghetti next time. Pour it in there. I'm almost tempted to open it up just to taste it, see what it tastes like, but I'm not going to do that. It would not stay fresh for my entire journey home. Oh, there's something else. There's another thing in here. Let's see here. Ooh. The original peanut butter melt away. Nice. Very nice. Thank you so much, Explore Altoona. Well, this is the Holiday Inn and Suites Express in Altoona, Pennsylvania. I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Explore Altoona for providing these accommodations for this evening. This is a wonderful room. So if you're in the Altoona, Pennsylvania area, be sure to check this place out. This has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you would like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.